Do you want to achieve this soft and shiny hair? If yes, please keep on watching.
So, ano masasabi mo sa hair ko?
Sa reply, is mas healthy. Okay, hindi siya dry.
Oh.
Hindi na siya dry. Mas healthy na siya ngayon. Tapos mas straight ka.
Talaga ba? Ako na-pressure ka sa ano?
Hindi, yun yung napasin ko kanina. Pero syempre, hindi ko muna sinabi.
Okay, welcome to the vlog!
It looks like it's made from the salon. Check!
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel! So for today's video, I'm gonna review this product, Mary Sun Cellowax, and it's in the color natural. Natural lang. Kasi, basta, secret! So it says here that it is a hair coloring product that gives your hair a fantastic shine and adds a layer of color, and it is an easy to use hair coloring product that can be used right at the comfort of your home, which is my goal. Just follow the instruction and you can treat your hair without fuss. It will only take a few minutes to change the color of your hair. So I bought this on Shopee, Singapore, and I guess yung seller is from the Philippines. Kasi it's a product of Mary Sun Corp, Philippines. Yeah, so it's also manufactured by Cosmetics Technologies Incorporated in Quezon City, Philippines. So I'm happy to review and use this product because it's locally made in our country. So Tatak Pinoy! I'm excited to see what will be its effect on my hair. Will it make it more shiny? Of course, rebonded tong hair ko. So, join me! I have showered and shampooed my hair. So the next step is towel dry the hair. So feeling ko naman, baka pwede na to. Yung ganito lang. Damp. By the way, when I purchased these free gloves also inside the plastic that is together with the cream. So thank you to the seller. Let's get it on! Guys, the smell, amoy yung perfume sa car, yung amoy apple flavor na perfume sa car. Ganun yung scent niya. Let's put on the shower cap for steaming purposes. It says that you should moist or steam your hair for 30 minutes, but it's maybe me, so let's give it 1 hour. And I wanted to show you my super cute timer, strawberry timer. It's a bit dusty. Just got it, I think last Friday, and I also ordered it online. Isn't it cute?
A few moments later.
It's already 30 minutes and so far wala namang stinging effect akong nararamdaman. Yeah. Okay. It has been 1 hour already, so we have to take it off and rest for 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes and time to rinse off the Cellowax. I rinsed off the Cellowax, and what I'm gonna do is just to let it dry, air dry. I'm not gonna use a blower nor iron it. I'm just gonna let it dry. It smells good though. May aircon ng kotse. And then nung pinabanlawan ko siya, actually it's really soft. See? Like I can finger comb. Result. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is growing. That's why this is black and this is like my brownish hair. Pero I think naman nabuhay yung color ng hair ko. Like, diba? I think it became shiny. So, I mean, it's soft. Yun yung feel niya. What do you think? Although malambot talaga siya. Malambot. I swear. Di ko pa to sinusuklay. I'm trying to film on different locations so that you can see kung ano yung itsura niya on different lightings. Yan. So, I think it became like parang natural brown. Diba? Can you see it, guys? Yan. Okay, my thoughts about the product. I think I would repurchase again because I like how my hair looks. And it's also cheap because I bought it for $3. So, peds na, diba? So, I suggest dun sa mga girls like me na rebonded especially, mas feeling ko, mas makikita yung effect pag rebonded yung hair mo, diba? Kita mo kagad yung effect niya. I don't know, I'm loving the color. I'm just happy. So, this is just me sharing my tips or my little moments na kung paano makatipid. Diba? Parang di mo naman kailangan gumastos ng malaki talaga just to beautify yourself and to have your self-care routine. You can do it in your house because you can just do it on your own. Do it yourself. Diba? I hope that you're gonna try the product as well. I'm gonna put the link description box below. Kung saan ko siya nabili. Hopefully, you like it as much as I do. So,